Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have finally some positive news about LeoPay, at least temporarily. But before we begin with the video, please consider subscribing to the channel, also turn on post notification and like and share my videos. Okay then, so let's get into it. So if you have an open and verified account on LeoPay and you have checked your email today, I'm pretty sure you have got the same email. And basically it says that, let me read it to you. So dear Referral, further to our previous notice, please be informed that your account is accessible and your card is operational for the period of 2 months notification. So basically now you can go to your account again and you can access your account. So basically, as you saw on the previous video which I did for the LeoPay platform, we couldn't access our account, or let's say the countries that are not supported by the platform. But basically now you can, if you have an open and verified account, and obviously you can do transfers like a withdrawal or transfer to your to LeuPay account, so you can get your money out if you want to. And if we read to the email, it says that outgoing and incoming transfer are limited due to termination of your account. So basically this means that we can still use our account for the period of 2 months, but our account unfortunately is doomed to get terminated after 2 months because policy things. So our previous notice in this regard remains in force. So basically that's what that is what it says there. We can still enter our account. We can do outgoing and incoming transfer in a limited amount, obviously due to a termination of our account. And so you can go ahead and pull out your money. If you have some, you can transfer them to your bank account, or you can withdraw them cash if you have the Visa debit card, like I will do. I don't have enough money. I have only 12 euros, so why not? I should get them too. Okay, so my recommendation for this is not to go ahead and transfer large amounts of money. If you want to get use of these 2 months with this account, I suggest you go with small amounts first. So basically you go to your favorite website or exchange, then you can transfer money into your LeoPay account, but at the beginning you transfer only a small amount just to see if this works, if you can withdraw the money, so you can be sure that this works and you don't have to. Okay, I got logged out because it has a timeout, if you remember, for this account. Anyway, so I suggest you go with small amounts first, see if it works, and then you can go for big amounts if you like to do so. But my biggest suggestion is to go ahead and transfer out your money and hope that our country or your country is going to be supported again. So why they did it? My personal opinion is that many customers and reviewers out there were pissed off, were not happy about this decision, this sudden decision without any notification. And obviously they heard their customers, and obviously I think that they don't want on their repertory, let's say, negative comments or negative reviews. So that's why I think they did this. I don't think they did this because they want to reintegrate our country in their support, but they did this only not to get negative reviews from people that were registered, and obviously from people that wanted to register and don't want to register. So they don't get negative comments, because obviously this company needs many new customers, and yeah, getting negative comments about their platform and their support and their way of doing things, of terminating accounts, and yeah, so on. And yeah, that's what I think. I think that they did this only to get their review clear, or let's say their review positive in a kind of way, but I don't think so. So my personal opinion is that we are not going to be getting supported again, at least for Albania, Kosovo, and Macedonia. But let's hope on our governments at this point, because we need to get in the SEPA agreement to be able to use these kind of services. Okay then, let's hope this positive news continues, but I don't think so. If you have another opinion, you can let them, you can tell them on the comment section of this video. And as always, before we go away, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the videos, and also turn on post notifications so you always know when I upload a new video. Okay then guys, that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.